Feeling bored? Lonely? Looking for something to do without going outside in the cold? You should attend one of the Northbrook Public Library's virtual programs. This winter, check off Attend a Virtual Library program on your Winter Reading Blizzard Bingo card. We offer programs for all ages like concerts, book discussions, maker programs, gaming programs, story times, and more. To see all there is, check out our newsletter or go online to northbrook.info/events. You can sign up online and you'll receive an email with the link to join the program, whether it's a storytime video you can enjoy all week or an invitation to a Zoom call to connect in real time with other patrons and your Northbrook Public Library staff. Beat the winter blues with exciting programs from the comfort of your home. We'll see you online.